Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Cybex Sirona S convertible car seat. This car seat is usable for newborns and children up to 65 pounds. What makes it unique is that it's the first convertible car seat in the US with a 360-degree rotatable seat with a load leg, making it extra safe and easy to help your child in and out of your car. Here are some notable features of the Sirona S. The Sirona S comes in three colors: premium black, Manhattan gray, and indigo blue, which is the color you see here. It includes a removable infant insert as well as a no rethread harness that is easy to adjust for height as your child grows. It has magnetic buckle holders to make it easy to take your child in and out of the car seat. This car seat, just like the Cloud Q, also has SensorSafe technology in the harness chest clip. It connects to your smartphone and provides alerts to help prevent critical situations, like if your child unbuckles the clip, if your child is put at risk with temperature changes, if they have been left alone in the car, and if your child has been seated for too long. There are two ways to install this car seat into a car. One is the latch system, the second is the seatbelt of the car. Cybex recommends that you use the seatbelt of the car because there is a weight limit on the latch system. Today we'll show you how to install it both ways. For either method, start off by unfolding the load leg from the bottom of the base until it clicks and the indicator turns green. Place the Sirona S onto the seat and slide it back into the crease of the vehicle seat. The load leg should hang over the edge of your vehicle seat. To use latch, squeeze the recline handle at the front of the seat, push to the full upright position, and swivel it around to access the belt path. Take the belt path cover off of the base and set it aside. Lift the Easy Lock handle to expose the belt tensioner. Slide up the orange button, move the Easy Lock handle towards the car seat, and pull up to open the belt tensioner. Now go ahead and insert each anchor into its corresponding vehicle anchors until they click. Pull the tail of the lower anchor straps to eliminate slack. Now close the belt tensioner back over the strap and use the Easy Lock handle to secure it. Put the belt path cover back on. Extend the load leg so it touches the floor of your vehicle and locks. There is an indicator that will turn green once it is secure. Now double check your installation, making sure the Sirona S does not move more than 1 inch. To use the seatbelt installation method, remove the latch anchors and nest them back inside the car seat base. Then you'll open up the belt path cover again. Lift the Easy Lock handle and pull open the belt tensioner. Now, route your vehicle seatbelt through the openings on the sides of the base and through the blue belt guides. Buckle the seatbelt, pull the shoulder belt to remove any excess slack, and then place the belt tensioner back over it. Push down on the Easy Lock handle to close the belt tensioner, and then reattach the belt path cover. Again, extend the load leg so that it touches the floor of your vehicle and locks, checking for that green indicator. Now, double check your installation, making sure that the Sirona S does not move more than 1 inch. One of my favorite features of this car seat is the swivel feature. With the swivel feature, you can put your baby into the car seat when it's facing you and swivel them into the right position, which makes it really easy to get baby in and out of the car. It also means that you really only have to install this car seat one time if you're not moving it from car to car, because it just has the one installation on the back of the seat. When you move the child to forward facing, you don't have to reinstall the car seat. Just make sure to squeeze the recline handle and adjust the seat to make sure that the indicator is either in the blue zone for rear facing or the red zone for forward facing. If you're using the Sirona S in forward facing mode, make sure to open up the storage compartment on the back of the car seat to take out the rear tether. Swivel your car seat around again and attach the tether to your vehicle's tether clip. Tighten to get rid of any slack. If you're installing next to a vehicle door, make sure to extend the linear side impact protection by pushing the gray button on the side of the Sirona S. We absolutely love this car seat because of its safety features like the load leg that you can use rear and forward facing, and the high rear weight capacity of this seat, and also the convenience features. The swivel is insanely convenient and it's something every parent should have. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw here today, shop with us at babycubby.com. If you spend over $25, shipping is free. If you'd like to learn more about Cybex's infant car seat, the Cloud Q, watch this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.